Hi guys! In this video you will learn how to change Squarespace template. Well, unfortunately, changing Squarespace template in version 7.1 is no longer supported, but you can still achieve a personalized look for your website. To do that, open your Squarespace account and select the site you want to customize. Then start with any template from the available option. While you can't switch templates, all templates in version 7.1 offer the same functionality. That's why you can select one that closely matches your vision. Then modify your site's design layout by using pre-built layouts and customizable page section. This allows you to create a unique look and feel for your website. Then customize the site header by adding or removing elements such as buttons or social links. You can also change the position of the logo and navigation to suit your preferences. And that's how to change Squarespace template. If you like this video, please click the like and subscribe and ring the bell icon to notify you to our next video. Thank you for watching.